Well, good evening, everybody. It's Dr. A back in his garden. Oh, it's a beautiful night here in lovely Athens, Georgia. It's near the end of June, and oh my gosh, look, I'm getting all excited about a Carex, and I get easily excited about Carex. I think Carex is just one of those great plants. Yeah, you know, and there's a ton of new ones and old ones and wonderful ones. This is called cherry blossom sedge. And it's kind of fun to get excited a little bit about the flowers of a sedge. This is Carex scaposa, S-C-A-P-O-S-A. I received this from my good friends at Hoffman Nursery, and they do a fabulous job of all things grassy, and certainly the sedges are one of them. But I just love this plant, and it's just getting better with time. This is second flowering, by the way, and you can see some are done, some are just coming, and some are in full flower. Love it. You got some mazes down here as a ground cover, some acerums, some armeria, but the winner by far is this wonderful Carex. So go out, get gardening, get dirty, have fun with me, and let's stay sane. Have fun.